Good morning or good afternoon na ba? Morning pa. First, I would like to express our condolences to the family, bereaved family of the OFW who has been executed. Our government extended help to this Filipino. We provided lawyers or a lawyer for her. And we gave regular updates to the family. It's just unfortunate that this particular case, the Sharia law does not apply where blood money can be a reason to stop the execution. So we condole with the family. But we tried. The DFA tried very hard to help.